Hello guys, welcome to Nutrition Essentials Day 3. In this session, we'll learn about functions of nutrients. This topic will help us understand the roles of each nutrient in the body, their sources, what happens if we lack them, and how to maintain a healthy diet to prevent deficiencies and stay energetic and strong. Next. What are the nutrients? Nutrients are substances in the food that the body needs to grow, repair tissue, obtain energy, and maintain health. They are classified into two categories: macronutrients and micronutrients. Macronutrients needed in larger amounts, for example, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, and water. Micronutrients needed in small amounts, for example, vitamins and minerals. Next, carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are compounds made up of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. They are main energy source for the body, or also called as main fuel source of body. Functions. Provide energy for daily activities and exercise, fuel the brain and nervous system, spare proteins for being used as energy. Fiber helps in digestion and maintaining gut health. Sources: rice, wheat, oats, maize, fruits, cereals, and pulses. Deficiency: fatigue and low energy. People will feeling very weak and low energy, poor concentration, weight loss and weakness. Treatment or recommendation include grains and fibers, rich food, and carbohydrate according to the age and activity level. Carbohydrates are recommended according to the age and their activity level. Activity level is sedentary, moderate, and heavy. Sedentary means like housewives, working women, etc. Or called as sedentary. Moderate, both working women and work office, like a small works. Moderate, heavy worker comes all three. Working women working in office and doing some other works are heavy workers. Next. Proteins. Proteins are made up of amino acids, which are essential for building and repairing body tissues, hormones, enzymes, and antibodies. Functions: build and repair muscle, organs, and skin. Support growth in children and adolescents. Strengthening immunity. Produce enzymes and hormones. Sources: egg, milk, cheese, lentils, beans, meat, fish, and tofu. Deficiencies: muscle wasting and weakening of the muscles, poor growth in children, edema and delayed wound healing. Like wound healing means if you're getting a wound, the wound may be delayed, like a healing of wound may be decreased. Edema means like a formation of watery bubbles in the ankles, hands, and legs, etc. Include variety of proteins rich food, and please balance the plant protein and animal protein in your diet or in your meal. Next, fats. Fats are liquid compounds of fatty acids and glycerol. They are concentrated source of energy and help absorb the fat soluble vitamins like A, D, E, K. Functions: provide long term energy, protect the organs, and insulate the body, regulating energy day by day. Like everyday energy is regulated by the fats. Aid in absorption of vitamins, ADEK. ADEK are fat-soluble vitamins, so the fat can be easily absorbable in our body. Essential for the brain function and cell health. Sources: nuts, seeds, oil, butter, fatty fish, dairy products. Deficiency: poor vitamin absorption, growth. Poor vitamin absorption means like water soluble vitamins are absorbed very poorly while we are eating more amount of fats. Growth retardation, dry skin and hair. You treatment use healthy fats in moderates and use seeds, nuts and vegetable oils in your diet. Vitamins. Vitamins are organic compounds required in smaller amounts for proper body function and regulation of metabolism. Vitamins are also comes under in the category of micronutrients, which are required in very less amounts. Vitamin A for vision and skin health, vitamin D for bone strengthening, vitamin E for antioxidant and cell production, which is also helps in pregnancy. Vitamin K, blood clotting, vitamin C for immunity and wound healing. Sources fruits, vegetables, fortified foods, and dairy products. Deficiencies, night blindness for vitamin E, rickets for vitamin D, scurvy for vitamin C, bleeding disorders for vitamin K, as a thrombin and prothrombin factor is decreased. Blood clotting factor is decreased. Treatment. Treatment or recommendation include colorful fruits and vegetables daily. Use fortified foods if required. We need to use fortified foods like salt. In mostly in fortified foods, we'll be saying salt. In that we can use different kinds of fortification or salt with mostly salt with the fortification of iodine. Like you can say double fortified salt, triple fortified salt, etc. Minerals. Minerals are inorganic elements essential for the structure and function in the body. These are also comes in the category of micronutrients, which are required in very lower amounts. Calcium, strong bone and teeth. Zinc, mainly for immunity and wound healing. Iron is mainly for hemoglobin formation, in the blood, hemoglobin, the heme part, which is made up of iron. Iodine, thyroid function. Sources milk, cheese, green leafy vegetables, meat, nuts, iodized the salt. As I told you, which is fortified salt. Next deficiencies, weak bones for calcium, anemia for iron, poor immunity, zinc, goiter, iodine. If iodine is less, we'll be getting goiter, the iodine which is good for thyroid functions. Treatment or recommendation. Consume mineral-rich foods. Consider supplements if deficient. If more deficient, then consider supplements. Next, water. Water is an essential inorganic nutrient forming a major part of the body and supporting all bodily functions. Hydration, yes, aids digestion and nutrients absorption, regulates body temperature, removes waste from the body. Mainly, it will be removing the waste from the body via urine. Sources: drinking water, soups, fruits like watermelon, orange. Deficiencies: dehydration, fatigue, dizziness. Poor digestion, and twice skin water. If you are not drinking water, there is no hydration, there is no passage of water in our body, so the skin automatically will be dry. So treatment or recommendation: drink 6 to 8 glasses daily, and along with that, you need to take watery fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables which contain water. Cucumber is having high percentage of water, that is 92%, 95%. Then comes to tomato, 92, like that in the vegetables. Next summary. Nutrients are essential for life. Each nutrient has sorry. Each nutrient has a unique function. Carbohydrates, energy; proteins give for growth and repair; fats for energy, organ protection, vitamin absorption. Vitamins and minerals, regulation, immunity, body functions. Water, hydration, and waste removal. A proper intake of nutrients prevents deficiencies, deficiencies and protects for the overall health. Protects and maintains for overall the health. Once again, it prevents deficiency, support growth, and maintains overall health. Like this. Next. Sorry. Next topic, understand macronutrients versus micronutrients. In next session, we'll be learning about this, like what are the macro versus micronutrients, why it is important, help students balance meals correctly. So till now we learned what is this, what are the types, and what are the nutrient importance. In this categories, this comes no. Next, we need to know the difference between macronutrients and micronutrients, why these nutrients are important. Thank you.